Welcome to Shiny Colors Fine Art Classes. This is Rashmi here and I am very excited to start this portrait workshop. So first we have to understand what are the planes of the head. So let's begin. So we will see this head to understand the planes better. So the area in the front is called front plane. So it starts from the forehead here, from the hairline to the chin line, and where this eyebrow or the eye socket ends to this eye socket to the other eye socket, from the cheekbone to the chin area is called front plane. Now if you see, this is called the front plane of the forehead, this is called the front plane of the nose, front plane of the lip, front plane of the chin, and this is the planes of the eye that I will explain when I will come to the eye part. Now when we turn the face little bit on the angle, then we can see the area that is glowing now, that is called the side planes. So the area from this eye socket to the ear till jaw till the chin and this cheekbone, so this area is called the side plane. Now when we see from the side, this area is called the side plane of the nose and this area is called the bottom plane of the nose. So these are the side and front plane. To apply this concept more, let's draw few faces. So to start with, I am making an angular face. So as you know, we have to make a circle. And then how to decide the distance of the oval that we are making for the side plane. So we have to see the distance from the middle to the starting. So see, as you see in this face, the side planes are till middle. So we have to make the oval from the middle. We have to chop this side also, and the middle line. This is the eyebrow line. And you know, eyebrow goes up and come down, and then the eye socket, the nose will come till the oval, and then same distance chin. So we have to make the box. I am making the line for the jaw. And then we have to make the neck part. As and the face is turned that way that we can see only one side neckline, not both the side. So this ear will come over here and it is little out of the box. We have to make the hairline. Now the line in the middle between the eyebrows to nose and till lips. Now we have to make the nose part and see the distance. When we make the nose, Then we have to see the distance, where the cheek distance, and then we have to decide the front plane of the nose and the side plane of the nose, and then a filtral part and the lips. So always make the smiling line. It will help you to decide how much long the lips will be. And then lips are little broader, so make the lips, and you can leave this line. You should not make fully outline of the lip, and then see the chin part and the smiling lips came. Now we have to make the bottom of the nose and eyebrows. Eyebrows are little thick. Then line of the upper eyelid, that is little visible. Eyeline, and the eyeline is little coming ahead. The lower eyelid, you can see it is little ahead of this eyeline. Then we have to make the cheek. So as he is a teenager, so the cheeks are little ahead of that box that we have done. And then we have to give a wash because we are not seeing any light on this portion. Now the eyes, we have to start from the side plane of the nose. And then we have to mark the eyes. So in my first video also I told, even if you are making the angular face, the space between two eyes will be one eye. So if you have not seen my video, I have given the link in the description box. Please see my those two videos, part 1 and part 2, for the construction of face. It will help you more to understand the spacing. So you see the eyes will go till that side plane circle that we have made. Then we will erase those middle line, those lines that we have done to make the face. How well the face came, you see. And now we have to give the values on the part that is actually dark and near the lips. I'll give little wash so that the face will start looking little more clear. Now we have to make the hairline. So after the hairline, you can see some spaces there for the ear that I have to leave, and then make the ear. Forehead is all in the dark because light is not falling. Then we have to make the hairline. So hair is coming little up of the skull, and then I'm giving little one or two wash just to make sure that our face came correctly. You see how nicely the face came, and we have to just give one wash over the dark area of neck. So I was showing how you can make the face with the Lumi method, and the area of this lip and between the nose and lips, that is called filtral part, that is dark. So I'm just giving the value to match it more, and you can see one wash is there all over, and only the cheekbone is shining. So I'm just giving one wash here so that the values will match. We have to move to the other face now, that is the same model face. So I'm just giving one more wash here just to give the value of this jaw area. So now we will move on to the other face, that is a front face of the same model. So to make a front face, make a circle, then we have to cut the oval part from the for the side planes. Now I am cutting the line, and then we have to make the oval part. So you see, after the line we have to make the oval. The line came in the middle. So you see that line is basically the hairline, and the oval is basically the side plane line, and this is the eyebrow line in the middle. Now you know eyebrow goes up and then come down, so we have to make like this, and then eye socket. So we'll make all together, then nose line, and from there to similar distance the chin line, and we have to make the jaw line. Make the hairline and then the middle line of the face. Make the area of the front plane of the nose. Decide the plane of the nose, so the bottom plane of the nose and the wings of the nose and the filtral part. So always make the smiling line. It will help you to decide the length of the lips. So make the lips, and see, you should not make full outline for the lower lips. You can just make the middle part dark, and then automatically it will come. And then we have to just give washes and shade to get the correct line. Now we will move on to the eyebrows. So at the same time, when you are applying the concept, we have to see everybody is having different distance on the different features. So at the same time, you have to keep seeing the distance also, how much distance is there after the eyebrow and upper eyelid and the lower eyelid. So make mark. I am making the mark of the shadow, where the shadow is falling on the left side of the face. Now we can erase all those lines, our deciding lines we will erase, and then start refining the lines. So that our face can come properly. See the distance, and according to the distance make the darkness. See, nose is casting shadow on the left side, so make the cast shadow. See the shape and make the cast shadow, and then we have to decide the values on the lip part. And I am giving the wash over the shadow part that is there. Make the eyeball. So these are the fast sketches I am showing you for this workshop. And basically how to apply that Lumi method, and how we can get the exact face of a person with this method that I am showing. Slowly we have to give the washes and get the correct face. Little bit wash over this side, and I haven't erased the line on the chin and the lip, so let me erase that line too. The nose is little darker and the shadow is also little bigger, the cast shadow, so I'm just increasing the cast shadow and little bit wash over the terminator that is there on the face. Now we will make the hair, and hairline is little upper of the skull because hair is big. So we will go a little up, and you see now the face has started looking little longer. That is there with the model. Now we go. Not much details on the hair, just a little bit to get the correct face, that's all. We have to make the neck. Quickly we will finish the neck line and the dress line. Gives a small wash on the neck portion because neck is quite dark. Hope you like my video and it will help you to construct a face. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. In the next video I will show you the face looking upward and downward. So please watch my next video too. Thank you for watching, my friends.